This year has been full of action, and GoPro has created their newest camera to stay ahead of it. The GoPro HERO12 Black builds off all of the features found in last year's HERO11 with some exciting new features to keep up with all the action. The HERO12 maintains all the shooting functions that GoPro users have grown to love over the years. The picture quality remains outstanding with their already impressive image sensor, where the 27 megapixel design can deliver 5.3K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, or 2.7K at 240 FPS. As we've seen with every previous GoPro, these cameras are unbelievably rugged. The HERO12 maintains the same build size and quality of the HERO11, with all the life-proofiness built into the previous models. The 12 also features a quarter 20 thread at the bottom where previous versions didn't. And this is something that not only extends the GoPro's already impressive mounting variability, but is something GoPro users have been wanting for years. A huge upgrade from last year's HERO11 is the dramatically improved battery life of the 1720 mAh Enduro battery. You'll now be able to constantly record up to 70 minutes in the highest settings, whereas the HERO11 could only record up to 35. It can also now record over 2.5 hours in 1080p. There's also a new update with HyperSmooth, now referred to as HyperSmooth 6.0. Delivering stabilization with less image cropping thanks to the auto boost function. You can also pair it with the 360-degree horizon lock, which makes it even more effective. The HERO12 features an unbelievably expansive field of view with a range up to an 8:7 aspect ratio. You can now increase that field of view with the Max Lens mod, which is now the Max Lens mod 2.0, which extends your FOV to 177 degrees compared to the original model's 155. The HERO12 captures stunning 10-bit color and now offers a log recording option for the more advanced shooters who want to color grade their footage or better match it to their other cameras. There are also various time-lapse modes such as time warp plus night shooting modes, as well as the GoPro power tools. The new interval photo power tool can set your HERO12 to capture photos at an exact interval, while the other power tools include scheduled capture, duration capture, or hindsight. If you're working with 2 or more HERO12s at the same time, you can sync their time codes. The HERO12 is Bluetooth enabled, keeping your offloading simple with the GoPro Quick app, which can download, edit, or even change digital lenses quickly after you're done shooting. You can also toggle the 2 control modes of the HERO12, operating in either Easy or Pro control depending on who you are as a shooter. The HERO12 is more or less a continuation of last year's HERO11, but the beautiful thing about these cameras is their unwavering durability and their capacity to fit into the simplest of shoots along with the most intense cinematic adventures. Where do you plan to bring the HERO12 Black? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Cooper with B&H. Keep getting out there.